Let's begin by lying back all the way. Soles of the feet together, knees open wide. Let the eyes close and start to slow and deepen your breath. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Now grab behind your hamstrings and rock all the way up. Then find child's pose, hips back and down. Rise up. Find a tabletop position. Plant your hands under your shoulders, knees right under hips. Inhale, cow pose. Let the belly drop and the heart lift high as the tail goes high. And exhale, cat pose. Draw your chin to your chest and round your spine. Use the breath and flow at your own pace. Come back to neutral. Walk the hands forward a few inches, tuck the toes, breathe in. Exhale, down dog. Firm the hands into the mat and press the hips up and back. Maybe ease the heels toward the mat. Slowly walk the feet to the top of your mat and take hold of opposite elbows for ragdoll. Bend your knees if you need to here. Release hands down, feet together. Soft bend to knees and roll the spine up to Tadasana. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Stretch fingertips to sky. Exhale, forward fold. Release all the way down. Inhale and lift halfway. Plant the hands, step back to plank. Knees to the mat. Exhale, elbows hug in, lower halfway down, Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Inhale, begin to straighten the arms, roll the shoulders back, and lift the knees off the mat. Tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up and back, three-legged dog, hips square, right toes point down. Low lunge. Exhale, step the right foot forward. High lunge. Firm the feet and inhale, rise up, arms sweep overhead. Warrior 2. Spin the back heel down, breath out. Hips open to the side, arms out to a T. Stack the right knee over the right ankle, then slide the right knee slightly to the right. Feel the stretch in your inner hips as you gaze right. Peaceful warrior. Inhale, right hand to sky. Extended side angle. Exhale. Keep the front knee bent, bring your right forearm to your right thigh, and stretch your left arm by your ear. Make one long line from your left heel all the way through your left fingertips. Peaceful warrior. Breathe in, tip back. Exhale, low lunge. Cartwheel the hands down. Inhale to plank. This time, keep the knees lifted. Exhale, lower halfway down. Inhale, up dog. Knees lifted off the mat, shoulders back. Down dog again. Tuck your toes, hips high. Left side now. Inhale, send the left foot up and away from you, three-legged dog, left toes point down. Low lunge, exhale, left foot forward. Inhale, high lunge, arms to the sky. Warrior 2, back heel spins down to the mat, exhale, arms open wide. Shift the front knee a bit to the left, open the hips and gaze left. Peaceful warrior, inhale, left hand up. Extended side angle, exhale. Lower the left forearm to your left thigh and reach the right arm by your ear. Press the right heel into the mat and reach through the fingertips. Inhale, peaceful warrior, tip back. Exhale, low lunge, windmill the hands back down. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga, elbows bend to 90 degrees. Inhale, upward facing dog, open your chest. Exhale to down dog. Now lower your knees and come to a seat on your mat. Find staff pose, both legs long. Then prep for floating staff. Press the hands down by your hips, firm the thighs, pull the belly up and in. And then float just the hips off the mat. If the hips don't lift, still press the hands down and firm the core. Lower the hips down. Roll over your shins and make your way down onto your belly. Locust pose. Arms by your sides, palms down, firm through the core, and inhale, peel your chest and arms off the mat. Roll the shoulders back and down, then float the arms up even higher. Release down, left cheek to the mat and breathe. One more locust. Inhale, lift the chest high. Release everything back down, chin to the left. Slowly bring the hands by your shoulders. Press yourself up, then have a seat on your mat again. Bring the feet flat to the mat for reverse tabletop. Lift the hips high. Release down completely. Transition to lying on your back. Reclined Gomukhasana. Cross the right leg over the left and draw the knees up toward the chest. Try to stack the knees here if you can. Then take your hands around the outside of your shins, ankles, or feet, and flex the feet. Gradually, bend at the elbows and pull the legs closer to you. Let the effect of gravity on your arms and legs take you deeper into this stretch. Other side now. Cross left leg over right, knees stacked, hands to shins or feet, feet flexed. Bend the elbows and start to pull the legs closer to you. As you take a few breaths here, feel an opening in the outer left hip. Uncross the legs and pull the knees closely into your chest. Before we end, if there's any other pose you'd like to do, like a twist or a happy baby, take some time for that now. And then when you're ready, move into Shavasana, arms and legs long. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.